Hello, second grade. Today is Thursday, May 7th, 2020. This is ELA Mini Lesson number 28. Today is our second day of studying the nonfiction text structure, sequence, or order of events. Your learning target is I can study the structure of a nonfiction text. Specifically, we'll be studying the structure of the sequence of events text. We're going to be looking for those key or signal words that help you understand how the events unfold. When we're talking about the text structure, we're thinking about how the information is organized. The author puts information in a specific way to help you, the reader, understand it. So when we're reading texts that contain a sequence of events, the author really wants us to understand the order in which things happen. Some of those signal words, again, that give clues about the sequence of events include first, second, next, then, now, later, after, last, and finally. But remember, authors don't always include signal words for each event. Sometimes you need to read between the lines or think about what makes sense. Take out your packet and turn to Thursday's section. We want to get to the text and the graphic organizer for ELA. This text is titled Making a Sandwich. The author wants us to understand the steps that you take when making a sandwich. Listen closely for those signal words. You can also make a mental picture in your mind of how the author is describing the way that you make a sandwich. That will help you keep track of those details because the author really wants us to understand that the order is important. Making a sandwich. A peanut butter and jelly sandwich is a healthy snack. It's easy to make too. First, get bread, peanut butter, and jelly. Next, take out 2 slices of bread. Then, spread peanut butter on 1 slice of bread. The peanut butter can be chunky or smooth. You can even use another type of nut butter if you want. After that, spread jelly on the other slice of bread. There are many types of jelly to choose from. Next, put the 2 slices of bread together. Finally, it's time to eat your sandwich. There were 6 important steps in making a sandwich that the author discussed. Look back at the text and find those 6 steps. You can circle the signal words and add a number to indicate the order of the steps. You may have noticed in this passage that the author uses the word next many times. Think about which would make sense. Also remember that in a sequence text, the author tells the steps in order. So you can always go back to the beginning of the passage and reread to find those steps in order. After you're finished marking the text, you're going to write the steps in order in the boxes, starting with first, going all the way to last. Then choose something else you know how to make and write the steps for making it in order on these lines. Try to use signal words if you can. Pause this video and complete this assignment. Then press play again so you can see the next piece. Today, for your additional practice with understanding the nonfiction text structure of sequence, you're going to read this article called Teach a Dog a Trick. While you're reading or after, mark up the text. Draw boxes around the signal words, underline the important steps, and number the steps in order. Then, answer each question and use details from the article. And your last ELA assignment for today is the reading log. Again, you're going to read a fictional story. Then, respond to this prompt. Would you like to be a character in this story? Why or why not? And don't forget to fill out your reflection page. See you back tomorrow.